IBM publishes a list of security exposures called Security Bulletins. To minimize exposure, you can use AAG to monitor which security bulletins are installed on your system and which are missing. In the previous video, we went over installing and monitoring PTFs using AAG and NG4I. We can also install fixes to address security exposures in a similar manner. As with PTFs, ensure you have an image catalog pre-configured before starting. Looking at Nagios, we can see the Check Shield Security Bulletin service is in a critical state for our system SAS 1002. Opening the service, we can see there are currently 2 security bulletins listed which do not have the fix installed. Moving to the IBM I, we can navigate to the NG4I operations menu. Before downloading the latest security bulletins, we will first ensure the image catalog is empty. Now we will take option 3 and enter the image catalog details. We have added a start date input to reduce the overhead on the system. If you know that the fixes for security bulletins up to the end of 2023 have already been installed, we can enter January 1st, 2024 to reduce the number of bulletins the program will cross-reference to be installed. Once we press enter, the order will be placed and you will see several new jobs in the NG4I subsystem. Once the fixes have been downloaded to the image catalog, we will load and verify them in the same manner as we did when installing the PTFs. Selecting option 8 from the Go PTF menu, we can enter the optical device information and press enter to install the loaded fixes. Now that the fixes have been installed and we completed an IPL, we can force the Check Shield Security Bulletin service to run again. As you can see, the critical state has now been cleared, and there are no security bulletins missing from this system. We feel as though the ability to monitor security bulletins is a critical piece to having a secured and healthy system. If you wish to monitor security bulletins using AAG, contact us and we can schedule a demo of our cost-effective solution to monitoring the IBM I.